Hi.
Hi.
Where are we at?
We are sledging at the Swiss Alps. Not really the top, but
in the Swiss Alps.
in the Swiss Alps.
And then beside you, you have a gorgeous mountain. And that's a drop off. Goes way down there. I have no idea. And then there's a big mountain way up there. It's covered in a cloud. We just came from up there. This is where we're going.
Yep.
We're going to sledge with the video. You ready? We're sledging very slowly with the iPhone. That's my view. Come on up here. Holy crap, that is ridiculous. This is insane. Come beside me. Keep going. Go faster.
Okay. Try not to wipe out again.
There's a big cliff off to your right, as you can see right there.
Okay, maybe we should focus on the corner and not the...
No, this is awesome. Look at that down there. This is the most ridiculous
Look out! Look in front of us!
thing I've ever seen. We have no idea where we're going.
Oh my god. Dude, watch where you're going.
This is what's over the edge. Let's go look. Holy cow. This is the edge right here. Goes all the way down there. This is crazy.
Incredible.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
See you later. See you later.